3-7 Santa Fe. Oh no, that's a big dog, bro. Right there. We're gonna attempt to clear the house. Yeah, that's a big dog right there. Right there.
Is he back inside?
Yeah.
The German Shepherd?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Coming through. Clear the house.
He was growling out of third year when we first walked up.
He was growling?
Yeah.
3-7 on 2 radio check.
We might
Seven medical.
want to ask for ET on AC.
What's the ETA on AC? We still need to clear the house, and there's a large German Shepherd inside.
A couple minutes out, I'm showing him passing Hyde Park and Horse Thief Canyon.
Definitely, thank you.
I mean, unless you can somehow convince the dog to come to you, then
Oh man. Hi, puppy. Come here.
Come on, buddy. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Is there a garden hose around? Come on. He's probably thirsty.
Yeah. There's a whole little stream on the other side they can drink out
Okay.
of.
Come on, buddy. Come here.
He's not.
No.
That's his mama.
Dude, that's a big dog.
Maybe Dwayne, the character, if you could get
The German Shepherd's laying by her now.
yeah,
Yeah, he ain't gonna move.
no.
So you guys go through.
I haven't heard from either one of them. Last time anybody heard from you in his what?
He saw me.
3-7 on 2.
This door has a key in it. We can access through that door too.
Yeah.
I just don't want to go through his bathroom.
Yeah, I was kind of thinking.
Through his bathroom.
Is this his bathroom?
Move slow. Yeah, that's his bathroom. Now we to the bedroom.
3-7 on. Just be advised, it sounds like there may be 2 possible 10-7 individuals inside the residence.
Possible 2 individuals.
Okay.
He's talking about this door, maybe?
Let me ask him.
Is that one?
Yeah.
I don't know, dude. I don't like this, especially with that big dog in here. That's there. That's this room right there, bro.
That's one.
I think that's where the dog's at.
Really?
I think so.
No, I think he's over here.
Is it that one?
He might be this one.
Yeah, it's got to be downstairs now.
A few minutes later, deputies found Gene Hackman's body on the floor of a mudroom near a door. He had sunglasses and a walking cane by his side. At no point in these videos will you see the bodies of Gene Hackman or his wife because a court ordered that they be blurred.
I got feet.
We see feet over here.
This way. Oh yeah, he's been down for a while, bro. Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, he's down. He's been down for a while. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Alrighty. Well, we found the second one. Shit. He told you who this house is?
No, I haven't gotten that far yet, bro.
Gene Hackman. That's Gene Hackman.
Gene?
Gene Hackman? Okay. The actor?
Hey, what's up, bro? Yeah, I'm here. We just went to the house. It's 210-7, one wife, one female. One's being guarded by a
You just want to keep going?
big German Shepherd, and we found the other one upstairs. No, I don't see any foul play, bro. I didn't look too close. I'm trying to figure out how to get closer to the second body with the German Shepherd right now. No, it's being butt on. All right, I'll let you know. Alex is on the way, though. Yeah, I got you. All right, bye. Yeah. Oh, clear. Sounds like Alex is outside, so let's go head up there. I didn't. Do you want to go eat the party, pal? She's here. Hi, buddy. That's a big dog, bro. Come on.
The kennel there.
Yeah, that one, they think that one's 10-7. Yeah, no, do what you got to do, bro. We haven't cleared that side of the house yet, just so you know. I might try. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I don't see any, like, blunt force trauma. It's just strange that they would both be down, bro.
Yeah. Dog is 10-7 as well.
Okay.
So let's see what I can do. I guess let me see if I can possibly get him out.
Okay.
Or I don't know who it is. Because I'm assuming meds are going to need to get in here. Or are they done here?
Yeah, I think they're done, bro. We found him upstairs. She's here. So I was just looking at that too, bro.
What is it?
Thyroid.
Oh, okay.
One round. I don't know, bro.
I heard he's in his 90s. I don't know how.
She's quite a bit younger from my understanding. All right. I think Alex is here, so let's go try to see what she wants to. Yeah, we'll take you up there to him. And I thought it was kind of weird about how he was laying too. Like, it looks like he was trying to go outside and just dropped.
Well, it looks the same with her.
Yeah,
Given her.
where she's laying and everything.
Yeah, she's.
It would make sense on why that door was open. I still don't know what this leads to. Oh yeah, this is where we just were.
Another switches right here.
Fan on. This. So these doors all open or what?
Which doors? These. I guess they're all unlocked most of the time, but I think this is the door he was talking about.
Were they open when you got here though?
That one that we first went through was open. See, he's up here.
This one should have this.
He's been down for a while.
Did you guys take photos and stuff?
No, I haven't taken photos yet.
Two totally separate areas.
No, it's strange.
$100.
Just before, what's his name comes here.
Who are you on the phone with? Was it?
For
Oh, for me?
yeah.
I just want to make sure there's not a gas leak in here, so let's crack the wall. Did fire bring out a?
I right whenever I got here, they all dipped out.
Did they bring one of their little monitors or whatever for gas or anything?
I don't know if they did. But do you know if they did?
I don't think they did.
No.
I don't think so.
I'll call dispatch and see if they can bring one over here.
Well.
That stove wasn't on or anything?
No, that's why I just checked. That's what, unless there's another one. But there's.
Something sounds like that's
It's
the fridge.
something, and it's not that.
What's this? Thing.
But something, there's still like a
Smell.
little bit weird.
No, I agree. There's something kind of like a little stinky.
It's weird. It's like moving and moving. They might have not been down. How many days has it been?
Since last contact?
Yeah.
2.5 weeks. Yeah. And they don't really see them. No one really sees them other than phone texts. And I guess
Very private people, very.
So I guess last contact with her was about 2.5 weeks ago.
I think at this heat, they would probably be a little bit more. Now this is about 70. So I have to okay, so did you find anything better?
No, there was nothing by them.
Do you think that's his girlfriend?
Girlfriend, wife, I think. Sounds like she has the same last name.
The female's probably the one in the 11 years. Looks like she could be.
Yeah. Was it brown?
Yeah, it was a brown dog.
German Shepherd mix, yeah.
The German Shepherd mix, I think is the one that's running around
Yeah.
the side. That's the kind of aggressive one. Who can bark at you.
Not the male, right? Not the big one? that
Not
was-
the big one, no. Yeah, the other one is like a husky color.
This one says a German Shepherd mix, 53 pounds. Just keep collar on at all times.
The other one did have a collar, that white Shepherd mix. The one in the kennel I don't think had a collar.
And the other thing. It smells like gas.
You smell gas?
Like just
Yeah. Like something.
smells
So if there was a gas leak and they both went down, that doesn't make sense why those would be off.
So it's not on, but
I smell
you
gas.
smell it.
Yeah, I smell gas.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start taking